Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to download the Fundora.trade app and then use on your phone without having to visit Google Chrome or your browser each and every single time. So without much ado, let me go ahead and then show you each and every process step by step. So first, open your browser and then search for Fundora.trade, which I've made a video about the other time. If you haven't watched that yet, you should go ahead to the channel and then watch it. So once you're on the home page of the website, you can either download the application through the sidebar section over here by going to download app, or simply going to the block section over here. And then once you're on the block section, I want you to scroll all the way down to this section which says download Fundora mobile app, which is the Android APK. And for those who are wondering what about the iPhone users, don't worry, I'm going to come to that part too and show you how you can be able to get this for your iPhone also. So when you click on this post over here, they will show you the detailed instructions on how to download the application and how to utilize it. So I'm not going to be reading all this to you, so let's just go ahead and then scroll all the way down to the bottom section over here which says download now, which you can see over here. So I want you to click on that download now and then wait for it to download. So once the download is completed, you have to either head back to your file manager to install the application, or simply just click on the pop-up notification that will show telling you that the download is completed in your browser. But if you haven't installed any external applications on your phone before, you will be asked to enable installation from unknown source. So just follow the instructions that will be shown on your phone to be able to do that successfully, or simply read the full blog session over here which tells you how to do that also exactly. So once the application is fully downloaded, you go ahead and then choose your package installer or the installation software that you want to use, and then install the app. So you can see over here they're already saying that for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So I'll go to settings and then change that for it to allow. So that is simply it. You can be able to install the application. So I already have the app on my phone, so I'm not going to be installing it again. So I'll cancel this and then head back to my home page to show you the app. So when you install the app, this is how the app will look like. You can see over here Fundora. So go ahead and then open the app, and then it will load up the interface in the app for you to use for your investment. So that is it. Very simple for you to do. And then for the iPhone users, which I almost forgot about, go back to the website again and then go to the main home page of the website. So once you're on the main home page of the website, you'll see a three dot at the corner over here. I want you to click on it. I don't know which kind of browser that you are using, but if you follow this kind of instruction over here, you'll be able to figure it out yourself and then also do it. So when you do that, you should look for a section called share on your iPhone, and then with that section, when you click on that, another pop-up will show, and then it will ask you to add to home screen, which is also showing on the Google Chrome page over here. So when you click on add to home screen, it will tell you to add install, not add, because this is an Android that I'm using, so it is telling me to add it as a shortcut. But if you are using an iOS or iPhone, it will say install as an application. So you simply just have to click on the install, and then it will take some time and then install that onto your phone for you to use. So that is simply it on how to download the Fundora